Hey, Ash Girl here. Today you have to listen another English conversation with me. Please listen carefully for this conversation. For better experience, use headphones. Feel free to watch this video multiple times, pausing after each sentence or phrase to repeat and practice aloud. Okay, come with me.
Hey Sarah, I was daydreaming today about our next vacation. Have you ever thought about our dream destinations?
Oh, absolutely, John. I love indulging in these conversations. Where would you like to go?
Well, one of my dream destinations has always been the Maldives. I've seen pictures of those beautiful, crystal clear waters and luxurious overwater bungalows. It seems like the perfect romantic getaway.
Oh, I've heard so much about the Maldives. The thought of relaxing on pristine white sand beaches and snorkeling in vibrant coral reefs sounds incredible. We could spend hours just enjoying the serenity.
Exactly. And imagine lying in a hammock, feeling the gentle ocean breeze and sipping on fresh coconut water. It would be like a dream come true.
That does sound heavenly. But another destination on my list is Italy. I've always been captivated by its rich history, art, and culture.
Ah, Italy. I can already imagine us strolling through the narrow cobblestone streets of Rome, hand in hand, and marveling at the ancient ruins like the Colosseum and the Roman Forum.
And how about exploring the charming canals of Venice on a gondola? We could lose ourselves in the romantic atmosphere, surrounded by beautiful architecture and breathtaking views.
Absolutely. And let's not forget about the mouth-watering Italian cuisine. I can already taste the authentic pizza, pasta, and gelato. We would definitely need to pack our appetite.
Haha, I agree. But another dream destination of mine is Iceland. It's so unique and mesmerizing with its stunning landscapes, waterfalls, and geothermal hot springs.
Oh, I've seen those pictures of the northern lights dancing in the sky above Iceland. It's like a natural light show. Witnessing that would be an unforgettable experience.
And we could also explore the breathtaking glaciers, hike through volcanic landscapes, and relax in the famous Blue Lagoon. It's a nature lover's paradise.
You're right, Sarah. Iceland offers so many extraordinary experiences. It would be like stepping into a different world altogether.
Absolutely. John, it's always fun to dream about these destinations. Whether it's the Maldives, Italy, or Iceland, I believe that every journey we take together creates beautiful memories and strengthens our bond.
I couldn't agree more, Sarah. And the best part is that we have a lifetime ahead of us to explore these dream destinations and many more. Let's keep dreaming and planning our next adventure.
Yes, John, let's do that. I can't wait to embark on these incredible journeys with you, hand in hand, creating unforgettable memories that will last a lifetime.
You're right, Sarah. It's always exciting to talk about our dream destinations. Let's dive into more options. I've recently been fascinated by the idea of visiting Japan. It's a country that seamlessly blends tradition and modernity.
Oh, Japan. That's an excellent choice, John. From what I've seen, the cherry blossoms in spring create such a magical atmosphere. Imagine walking hand in hand under those blooming trees.
Absolutely. And we could explore the bustling streets of Tokyo, visit ancient temples in Kyoto, and even experience the tranquility of traditional tea ceremonies. The blend of old and new would be truly captivating.
Oh, and let's not forget about the mouth-watering Japanese cuisine. Sushi, ramen, and tempura. My taste buds are already tingling at the thought of trying authentic dishes in local eateries.
Yes, Sarah, the food in Japan is renowned for its freshness and meticulous preparation. I can almost taste the delicate flavors and experience the artistry of the presentation.
Another dream destination that has always intrigued me is Egypt. Just imagining standing before the magnificent pyramids and exploring the ancient tombs of the pharaohs gives me goosebumps.
Egypt would be an awe-inspiring journey, indeed. Can you imagine sailing down the Nile River, visiting the temples of Luxor and Karnak, and unraveling the mysteries of the Sphinx and the Valley of the Kings.
And we could ride camels through the desert, gaze at the starry night sky, and immerse ourselves in the rich history and mythology of ancient Egypt. It would be like stepping back in time.
Absolutely. The stories of pharaohs, gods, and goddesses would come to life as we explore the temples and archaeological wonders. It's a destination filled with wonders and secrets.
You know, John, one other dream destination that I've always had on my list is New Zealand. The landscapes there seem otherworldly, with lush greenery, majestic mountains, and pristine lakes.
Oh yes. New Zealand's natural beauty is absolutely breathtaking. We could explore the stunning fjords of Milford Sound, hike through the enchanting forests of the Hobbiton movie set, and soak in the geothermal wonders of Rotorua.
And let's not forget about adventure sports like bungee jumping, ziplining, and hiking in the stunning national parks. New Zealand offers endless opportunities for thrill seekers and nature enthusiasts alike.
You're right, Sarah. New Zealand would be an adventurer's paradise. The adrenaline rush combined with the serene beauty of nature would make it a truly remarkable journey.
John, it's incredible how many amazing destinations there are to explore. Whether it's the Maldives, Italy, Iceland, Japan, Egypt, or New Zealand, each offers its own unique experiences. I'm grateful that we can dream together and make these dreams a reality.
Absolutely, Sarah. Our shared love for travel and exploration has brought us closer and given us so many cherished memories. Let's continue dreaming, planning, and embarking on these incredible adventures. Our next destination awaits.